2025 BMW i7. BMW introduced the all-electric i7 sedan as an all-new model in 2023 and expanded the sedan's lineup in 2024 with the edrive50 and m70 trims. With the i7 set to arrive for the 2025 model year, it will arrive as a carryover model with a few new standard features. Here's what shoppers can expect to see with the 2025 BMW i7. The 2025 BMW i7 will continue to have the same exterior design as the current model that's on sale. The i7 has dramatic exterior styling with enormous kidney grills, slim daytime running lights, rectangular headlights that are located in the middle of the fascia, angular elements on the front bumper, and deep cutouts in the front fascia. The rear end of the i7 isn't as shocking, as it features oval tail lights, a chunky rear bumper, and a rounded trunk lid. As BMW's flagship all-electric sedan, the 2025 BMW i7 features an opulent interior design that features cutting-edge tech features. The i7 has a tiered dashboard with two large screens that are integrated into a single panel. The electric sedan features a trim piece that spans nearly the full width of the dashboard and encompasses a few touch-capacitive controls. BMW fits the i7 with opulent interior materials, while the large sedan provides passengers with a generous amount of interior space. When it comes to tech features, the 2025 BMW i7 will continue to come standard with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.9-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, an 18-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system, satellite radio, Bluetooth, navigation, and a wireless charging pad. Available features include a 39-speaker audio system and a 31-inch rear entertainment system. 2025 BMW i7 engine and specs. BMW will offer the 2025 i7 with the same powertrains as the 2024 model. The base i7 edrive50 comes with a single electric motor on the rear wheels that's rated at up to 449 horsepower. The available xdrive50 trim has dual electric motors that make a combined 536 HP. The range-topping m70 trim comes with an upgraded version of the dual motor setup that produces 650 HP. All i7 models come with a 101.7 kWh battery pack that brings between 291 miles to 321 miles of range. Range also varies depending on wheel size. Performance and range aren't expected to change for the 2025 BMW i7. 2025 BMW i7 safety. When it comes to safety features, the 2025 BMW i7 will come with pedestrian detection, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, park assist, a surround view camera, and automatic high beam assist as standard. Available safety features include lane change assist, lane centering assist, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, park assist, highway driving assist, and a dash cam. 2025 BMW i7 price. Pricing for the 2025 BMW i7 will start at $106,875 and go up to $169,675. Prices include destination. Here's a breakdown of all 2025 BMW i7 pricing. Trim MSRP. edrive50 $106,875. xdrive60 $125,375. m70 $169,675. 2025 BMW i7 release date. The 2025 BMW i7 is currently on sale.
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world.